Hi folks, hope you're having a great day. So it's time for me to pick a winner for the Drobo 5D3 competition. Yes, if you remember from one of my previous videos, as a Drobo ambassador, Drobo and I were giving away a Drobo 5D3. As a gold edition, this means it came with Drobo Care and the MSATA card, making it even faster, up to 3 times faster in fact. Absolutely great. This is almost a grand's worth of equipment. So if you were fortunate or brave enough or wonderful enough to enter this competition, well, yeah, this stood you with a very good chance of winning. We had some absolutely great entries, and thank you to all of you for entering. Now, we do have something in fact for all of you who were brilliant enough to enter. Thank you all, we had some wonderful entries. But yeah, if you did enter, if you didn't enter, then yeah, I have something for you right now coming up. Yeah, so I have a discount code for you. So don't be disheartened if you didn't win. You can still get 10% off of the Drobo Gold Edition. Right, so on to the winner. Yeah, I don't want to sugarcoat this anymore. This wonderful piece was the winner. They've obviously taken inspiration from my photo retouching. Like I say, you didn't have to do photo editing. You could have entered an illustration. This could have just been a straightforward happy snap. This just could have been a picture from your mobile phone. Just any golden memory, any happy picture, anything that you could put on your Drobo that you potentially could win, that you didn't want to lose. And for me, I didn't say it on the video, but for me, I kind of felt like, because I wanted you to write a kind of description for this image, for me it kind of felt like the description was a big part of that. Some of you wrote a really nice description of why this image meant something to you, and some of you not so much. It was kind of one word, or why you felt that, you know, you deserve to win, or, you know, give me free stuff, which I thought was quite funny. It's fair enough, really. You know, all things to all men. But yeah, absolutely cracking. Thank you everyone for entering. The winning caption was this. It summed up really nicely how much effort and work they'd put into the winning piece, and I thought that was absolutely great. It was nice that they gave their piece a title, and it was nice to know the kind of story behind the fact that they'd retouched their image. Yeah, it actually did mean something to them. So yeah, for me, this was a really nice piece as well, and to the folks at Drobo as well. So this was kind of a unanimous winner for us. So I hope that you like this piece as well. We'll stick this up on Twitter, and if you are the person who created this, then you will be notified by email very shortly. You'll probably have already seen this because we'll tweet this, and you know, you'll watch this video because you obviously clicked subscribe, and you know, you're following me on Twitter as well. So yeah, there you go. You're the winner.
You can go to bed now, Daddy won!
So my condolences to everybody else who didn't win that Drobo 5D3 Gold Edition with its MSATA card that makes it go up to 3 times faster, and its Drobo Care that will look after you long term. You know, but if you still want the chance of one, then click the link in the description, and if you're in Europe, you'll get a whopping 10% off that, which is actually quite a lot. And you know, if you already have a Drobo, then this will actually get you Drobo Care. That's absolutely fantastic, isn't it? So yeah. If you want to find out more about Drobo in general and about the different types of Drobo, then in the link in the description I will pop a link to Drobo's YouTube channel, so you can go and look over the different types of Drobo. And yeah, there are a few different types of Drobo. It's not just the 5D3 model. You know, there are different types of Drobo for, you know, Mac, PC, and NAS versus DAS. You know, if you want the whole wireless experience, etc., go and check that out. But yeah, so there's a discount code for you who didn't win, and there's the winner who gets all of this completely free. Hope you've enjoyed that. Go and check out my other videos on the Drobo. I've got a few up there, including one I've just released recently about the MSATA card itself and how easy that is to install. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Check out the video I did previously on the competition, because that has a great 2-minute video on the retouching I did. And if you did see that, then you can check out the whole 2-hour-long version of that photo retouching. That is very cool. So you can see this image turn into this image. And that was very cool. That was actually a commission I completed for the Cache County Sheriff's Department. Right, I hope you enjoyed this, and I see you all later. Stay tuned and stay subscribed. I will have more competitions coming up very soon. Have a great day.
But this award is something more than a thing you stick in your underwear when you're singing What's New Pussycat.